How to log into Twitch account. So if you want to log into your Twitch account, then first of all make sure you have a stable internet connection and then open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for Twitch, and on the first search you will have www.twitch.tv. Click on that. And now if you want to log in to your Twitch account, then on the upper right corner you will have a login option. Click on login, and then from here you have to enter your username, and after entering your username you have to enter your password. But if you don't remember your password or if you don't remember your username, then you have to click here, trouble logging in, and then it will get back to your Twitch account. For that, you have to enter your email or phone number through which you have created or registered your Twitch account. And after that, you can click on continue and it will send you a code, and through that you can reset your account. But if you remember your password and everything, then you can just simply enter it and then you can click on login, and it will welcome you and it will ask you for a verification code which it has sent you to your email. So go and open up your mail. Here you will have your code, so you have to enter this code here. And that's it guys, that's how you log into your Twitch account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.